Hey guys, I know it's been a while since you've heard from me. I've just been busy with life in general and all kinds of junk going on, you know how that goes. But I wanted to share with you my latest project. I picked up this 2002 Yamaha Warrior. When I got it, it doesn't run. The guy had blown up the computer somehow. I have no idea how he done that other than with the PC3. He had a power commander on here and he was trying to hook it up and somehow he ended up frying his damn computer. No idea. When I got the bike, the wiring was a bit of a mess. The headlights was missing as it is. There's no keys that come with the bike because a kid wrecked the damn thing. And it's going to have a salvage title if I can get a title. And it looks like the police took the keys and he never found them again. He had a loan on the bike, so I know it was his bike. I'm not too worried about that, but in general, yeah, it's a mess. But supposedly this has some sort of a big bore kit and cams in it. It's got a Patrick Racing extended swing arm, which is pretty rare. From what I understand, these came off of strictly their drag bikes. They were not making these for public selling. When they stopped drag racing these bikes, they just sold their inventory, and this guy apparently bought some. It's got no rear suspension. The dang thing has just got a bar in there where the shock would be, so it's a hardtail at the moment. It appears like he's got the 1-inch lowering springs in the front because the front end is really low and really soft. The handlebars are straight, but the grips have seen better days. There's no mirrors. Things are all beat up. It looks to me like he wouldn't tell me about the wreck. He thought I'd never figure it out, but he said he just laid it over in a parking lot, just standing there. But it's clearly there's scrape marks, not fall over marks. It looks to me like he was trying to do a burnout and the thing got away from him and flipped over upside down because the damage is on top of here, on top of here, on top of the master cylinder. So that's what it would appear like. Trying to think of any other weird things, but as you can see, he's got pegs missing. There's all kinds of things are messed up. He put Midnight Warrior wheels on it at some point. Then he spray painted the engine, which is just grand. Don't know what the hell I'm going to do with that. Anything, we'll see. But yeah, I've been going through the electrics on this, trying to get the damn thing to start. For sure, he had a bad starting relay after I went through everything. Switches got put back together, and bad starting relay and a bad computer. I know the computer was bad because I took it to my other Warrior, Yoshi. You guys probably remember him maybe. And plug it into Yoshi and nothing happens. Luckily, I have an extra ECU that has the decompression solenoid is bad. That circuit is bad on this ECU. But it will start a bike. I've had it on. I put it on Yoshi multiple times just for testing purposes. It starts the bike fine, so we'll see what we can do. I'll give you guys a tour around of this thing. So here's a little tour of it. The headlight was a mess. It does work. I have no key, so I've been jumping the key switch connector. I'll show you guys how to do that. Otherwise, these here would go into the gas tank. This side is mostly normal. You can see the peg got broke off. The shifter's fine, but you can see scraping there from where it slid down the pavement. And now here we'll get into the swing arm. You can see he's got a chain on the front and back. He's missing crap here, which is a problem because this here is a structural piece and he's missing it. So I got to find something to put there. Yeah, that's another mess in general, but I don't know why he's done this other than it looks cool. We'll come on back. This here is a stock fender. He just cut it and then put this crap on it. The light was up underneath here because this is an extended swing arm. He had the light jammed way back there. I pulled the light out because it was beating on the tire. You can see his rear bracket for the license plates all bent up and screwed up. I'll give you guys more tour here. Here's the rear end. The other side looks good. Brakes work great. come on up here, you can see the exhaust he's got is essentially just straight pipes. You can see that got all tore up from where he laid it down. He's missing the brake lever there. Come on around, everything looks decent. This here is in pieces, but you can see he's got two separate switch here. This is from a Midnight, this is from a Standard Warrior. I have no idea what the hell he's doing there. You can see on the tachometer housing it's cracked. Great. The front end has got no fender, and yeah, that's kind of it.